What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a apartment tour. I'm trying to be very quiet because there is a huge echo in here, but I wanted to go ahead and get this video out here because this is my last day living in here with my sister. I'm going back home. She just wanted me to live in here for a little bit with her. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started without further ado. So like I said in the intro, I'm trying to be quiet because my sister is still asleep and there's an echo. So at the entrance, all you see is a white door with a black rug, and then this is the living room. They literally furnished everything with what's at my parents' house, and I still live in my parents' house. My two sisters just moved out. So that's the living room. My sister and her boyfriend had just set up the TV stand last night, which is why I decided to do this in the morning because the TV was still sitting on the floor. So yeah, they're still unpacking. There's stuff everywhere, but I just wanted to quickly get this video out like I said. Okay, so to your left, there is the kitchen. And this is a new build. So their kitchen is new. They had just remodeled while they were signing the papers. So that's the kitchen. I like the new backsplash they have. It is very cute. I think it adds a touch to the kitchen. And then their appliances is just plain black. What I like about the refrigerator is that the refrigerator actually dings if it's been open for too long. This is what my sister just filled up the refrigerator with, just some Lunchables and some teas and some Dr. Peppers for the weekend because she was only staying there for the weekend until my sister came back, and then they were going to go grocery shopping together. And then right beside the kitchen is the entrance to the laundry room, which is where I was at filming the intro. And then as you walk towards the back of the apartment, that's where you get to the two bedrooms. It's a two bedroom, one bath. So the closet that I am currently standing in front of is the storage closet where you keep your towels and other things. So they have their towels and then a little blanket for when guests sleep over. And then right beside that, diagonally, is my sister's room. I don't want to go in there because she sleeps, like I said. And then there's the bathroom. So like I said, this is a new build. They just reconstructed it. So the bathroom is completely new. It looks exactly like the kitchen so far, with like the tile and the granite table, the granite sink top, or whatever you want to call it. And then the backsplash for the shower is the same. Love it. Like I said, they just moved in, so this is not how it's going to look when my sister gets back. We just put everything in the apartment just to move everything out of the house, so that there'll be space in my parents' house as well, because they needed to move out in order for me to get a new room. So we had to arrange stuff at our house, and then they had to arrange stuff at their apartment. So for my sister's room, she was gone when we moved everything because she had a trip. So she has two closets, which is what I'm showing you now. Okay, so like I was telling you guys yesterday, I did not move out with my sisters, but I am getting a new room now that they're gone. So the room I'm about to show you is the room that I was staying in, and you guys aren't gonna believe I stayed in this room. Like, it's very surprising, very shocking. A lot of people probably wouldn't have stayed in this room. So yeah, I've seen a lot of YouTubers show their room and how small it is, and I am in that community that used what they had. So yeah, without further ado, here's my old room. So yeah, guys, this is my old room. It is so messy right now. Like, the floor is so messy because I'm currently moving. I have to clean this entire room out because I don't know what my mom's gonna do with it, but she turned the other room into a gym, so we're gonna have our little home gym. So yeah, this was my room. I was just in the process of like redecorating and everything. That's why I have the different curtains over here. I didn't have a closet in this room because it was actually a dining room that I turned into an actual room. So I had to use this plastic looking closet from Walmart that I saw, and I had like a wooden closet that's in my other room. I'll show you that. And I had a door. There's two doors. One goes to the kitchen because it was a dining room, and the other one goes to the living room. So I had to put a door up right here, and that's what you see now. And since it was a dining room, it also had like a bar to it. So that's what this is. And this is open space. We wanted to put a window in here, but they advised us not to. So this was an open area right here. So I didn't even have 4 walls in this room. Surprise, surprise, I know. So it's not as clean as I want it to be right now because I literally just moved in here, and I'm a fashion designer, so you know I'm gonna put my little touch on it. This is open space right now, but I'm gonna have a desk right there, and then I actually have 4 walls. I actually have a door, and then I actually have a closet. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you made it this far, I hope you enjoyed the tour around my sister's new apartment, and I hope you enjoyed seeing my small little come up with my rooms as well. I did all of this moving my stuff just to move in another year anyway, in another year to be with my love. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this or similar, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.